Low alcohol wines are becoming increasingly popular as people try to make more healthy lifestyle choices. But what is low alcohol wine? How does the taste differ from regular wine? Is zero alcohol wine any good? Stick around and I'll explain. My name is Jacky Blisson. I'm a master of wine and I taste hundreds of wine every month as a wine critic, wine educator, and consultant to wine retailers. There's no set definition, but most experts consider wines under 11% alcohol by volume to be low alcohol wine. And if I'm being a stickler, we can't really call a grape beverage wine unless it's at least 8.5% alcohol, according to World Wine Authority, the international organization of vine and wine. So how do low alcohol wines taste? Well, it's important to consider a few things about alcohol in wine. Grape sugars are converted into alcohol during fermentation. The riper the grape, the more sugar it contains, the more sugar, the more potential alcohol in the wine. Less ripe, more acidic grapes will produce less alcohol. Alcohol gives wine body, roundness, and a subtle sweetness. So lower alcohol wines tend to be lighter bodied and feel leaner on the palate. To recap, lower alcohol wines are often lighter in body, leaner, and higher in acidity. To balance this out, winemakers often leave a bit of residual sugar or even add sugar. This is important to consider if you're choosing lower alcohol wines for health or diet reasons. Low and zero alcohol wine can also be made by harvesting ripe grapes, making the wine, and then using an alcohol removal process like reverse osmosis or vacuum distillation. This can have some negative impacts, though. It can strip wine aromas and it can alter the tannic structure of a wine. So where can you find the best ones? Well, when it comes to zero alcohol, there's some pretty good ones out there nowadays, but I have yet to find one that really mimics the aromas, flavors, textures, mouthfeel of real wine. They sort of have a sweet and sour grape juice thing going on. For lower alcohol wine, it's far easier to find good white than red wine, in my opinion. Less ripe red wine grapes tend to have quite bitter tannins, which can be accentuated by high acidity. But there are loads of great dry to off dry, still to sparkling whites to choose from. Some cool examples include Pinot Verde from Portugal, Chacolina from northern Spain, many Proseccos, and even some Cavas, Riesling from many different regions, from Germany, Austria, Canada, Australia, all over the place. A lot of northern Italian whites, some Austrian Gruner Veltliners. The list is growing. If you enjoy sweet wines, you should definitely check out the top Mosel Rieslings and Canadian ice wines. So that's my quick take. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Santé!